The two activities we will be demonstrating today show direct improvement on sensory-motor integration. Our activities will show the difference in performance while doing the same activity but simply changing one aspect of the environment. Our activity will involve the subject balancing on one leg on a stable surface to a less steady ground. By doing this, the subject will decrease their performance and skill. The constraints that we will be adding in our activity will act as our unsteady ground, which is a stability ball.
The activity is both subjects have to stand on one foot while throwing the ball back and forth.
And we're showing here that there's no constraints present. We're just standing on a stable ground.
Doing it.
Yeah.
In Activity 1, the somatosensory system is being targeted, specifically proprioception. Proprioception is affected because the sense of where we are in the environment changes.
In this next activity, we are adding in a constraint, and the constraint is the back of a stability ball that one of the participants will be standing on one foot.
The subject must learn to adapt in the environment because the vestibular system is being compromised.
Just keep going. For Activity 2, the sensory system targeted is the vestibular system, also known as our sense of balance. In the activity, you could see one of the subjects changing their environment, which directly affects their performance. Proprioception is also being a target again due to change in environment. Comparing these two activities side by side showed direct improvement when there is no constraint present. It was very obvious that the task became harder when sensory-motor integration was hindered. In Activity 2, the participant balancing on the flat side of the stability ball had to adapt since their vestibular system was compromised. Because our activity was to improve balancing skills, our population we are trying to target are the athletes and children. Athletes are prone to injuries, thus this activity will help them adapt and allow them to return back to play. For children, this will help quicken their development of gross motor skills.